Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Schwinn Stingray Parts is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after bicycle parts in history, and whether you're a seasoned bike enthusiast restoring a vintage model or a newcomer looking to build a custom cruiser, selecting the right components can make all the difference. This video will guide you through the essential parts, highlighting key considerations for quality, compatibility, and style to help you create your dream Schwinn Stingray. Number 5. CalPalmy 10-inch replacement inner tubes. These heavy-duty inner tubes are perfect for various applications, from toddler bikes to electric scooters. They're thick, dependable, and built to last. With an expandable width, they accommodate tires from 1.75 to 2.125 inches. It doesn't matter if it's a toddler's bike or a commuter scooter, they'll fit securely. These inner tubes are compatible with many popular brands and models, including Schwinn, Bob Gear, and Nan Robot. Check the description for a full list of compatible vehicles. Made from extra thick butyl rubber, they offer superior shock and vibration dampening. Enjoy a smoother, more comfortable ride, no matter the terrain. They're tear-resistant and self-sealing to prevent punctures. CalPalmy prioritizes safety and quality, so you can ride with confidence. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return or exchange them within 30 days. What we like. It's made of high-quality butyl rubber, meaning it can withstand a lot of wear and tear. Plus, it fits many different bikes and scooters. If you need a reliable replacement inner tube without breaking the bank, this is a great option. What people say. Ordered these for an inner tube replacement for my electric scooter and they work perfectly. No holes, thick, durable, and puncture resistant. Holds air great, no leaking of air. I had zero issues using this tire in the Apollo Ghost. Fits 2021-2022 models. Anyways, the quality of this tube felt equal or better than the stock OEM one. Also, I inflated the tire to 50 psi and it held well. My 93-year-old father has a Lowrider walker that he uses to walk around outside. I had constant issues with its tires holding pressure. Replaced the inner tube and it's worked great since. It holds pressure well and I haven't had to add any air for over a month. Number 4. Alta 20 Vinyl Banana Seat. Get ready to cruise in style with this vibrant banana seat. Its eye-catching design will turn heads wherever you go. This seat isn't just comfortable, it's a statement piece. The silver stripes add a touch of retro flair. Find the perfect color to match your bike and personality. We have a wide variety to choose from. It's designed specifically for 20-inch bicycles, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Enjoy a comfortable ride. Made from durable vinyl, it's built to last. It can withstand daily wear and tear, keeping you comfortable ride after ride. With dimensions of 17 to 3/4 inches long and 5 inches wide, it offers the perfect balance of comfort and style. Easy to install and maintain. What we like. This banana seat adds a touch of vintage flair to your ride. It's also designed for comfort, making it a great choice for leisurely rides. If you're looking to give your bike a retro upgrade, this is the perfect addition. What people say. It even arrived 2 days earlier than expected. Comfortable seat looks great on the bike. Perfect fit, matches bike well. Number 3. Lowrider 304 Spike Nuts. Give your bike a custom look with these stylish spike nuts. They're perfect for adding a touch of flair to your cruiser, chopper, or lowrider. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, they're built to last. The mirror-like finish will keep your bike looking its best. These nuts are threaded for 3/8 to 24 axles and measure approximately 1 to 5/8 inches tall. Ensure they fit your bike before ordering. Installation is simple, they fit both new and vintage bicycles. Just replace your old nuts with these eye-catching ones. These aren't just nuts, they're a statement. Perfect for show bikes, custom builds, and anyone who wants to stand out from the crowd. This is a set of 2 chrome-plated steel axle nuts. They're ready to transform your bike's look. Always double-check your axle size and thread before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. Happy riding! What we like. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these nuts are built to last. Their unique spike design adds a custom touch to your bike. If you want to add some eye-catching style and durability to your ride, these are perfect. Number 2. Springer Chrome 26 Bike Fork. It's made from high-quality chrome, so it's incredibly strong and resists rust. This ensures it can handle tough rides and heavy loads without breaking down. Thanks to its advanced suspension technology, it provides an incredibly smooth ride. It absorbs bumps and vibrations, making for a more comfortable and enjoyable journey, no matter the terrain. Its sleek chrome finish not only looks great but also adds to its durability. It'll give your bike a stylish upgrade. It's designed for easy installation, you'll need minimal tools and expertise. Clear instructions make setup quick and hassle-free. It works with a wide variety of bikes, from vintage cruisers to modern scooters. It's easy to fit onto different frame sizes and styles, giving you the flexibility to customize your ride. What we like. This heavy-duty fork provides a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. It's also easy to install, so you can get back on the road quickly. If you're looking for a comfortable and easy-to-install upgrade for your bike, this is a great choice. What people say. Good quality stainless steel metal. Great fitment and easy to install. It's straight and handles so smoothly over the bumps. It's much more sturdy and the bike handles so well. Number 1. Alta Sissy Bar with shock. This stylish Sissy Bar is a perfect addition to your bike. It's made from durable steel for lasting quality. It's built to last. The steel construction ensures it can handle the wear and tear of the road. This Sissy Bar has a gleaming chrome finish. It adds a touch of classic style to your ride. Enjoy a smoother ride. It comes with a built-in shock absorber for added comfort. It's designed for easy installation. You can quickly and easily add it to your bike. Upgrade your bike's look and feel. It provides both style and comfort. What we like. This Sissy Bar is made from sturdy steel and adds a classic touch to your cruiser. It's a simple yet effective way to upgrade your bike's look and feel. If you want to add a touch of classic style and support to your bike, this is a great option. What people say. Nice Sissy Bar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.